the end of a beach day here in Pensacola Beach at the Portofino resort. This young fellow there is packing everything up. That there is the used to be called the Gulf of Mexico, and now it's Gulf of America. And I'm just going to do a kind of a walking tour here of the whole resort area. There's 5 towers in total. They're about like 20 stories high. Bottom 4 stories is parking. And we'll just keep walking along here. And point out to my, you can see me there, I'm going to wave, hi. In a couple of kilometers starts the National Seashore Park, which is 16 kilometers. So it's like, 10, 11 miles. It's just really beautiful. So the location to have access to so much park right at your doorstep is wonderful. There's a busy intersection here. Gonna cross over. No one's coming. There's the road to the National Seashore. It's crossing over here. And apparently this summer they have a free trolley that runs. There's the trolley stop right there. And then we'll head in here. Portofino, an island resort residence and spa. So just in this main building here is where the bike rentals, the golf cart rentals, paddleboard, all that stuff is e-bikes. It's all organized out of there. We'll just stop here for a moment. Each of the buildings, there's a big building here, has its own pool. This one's quite near the road. A pool and a hot tub. And I would say generally they really take care of the pools here and the hot tubs and all that stuff. There's the entrance when you come in. There's security, you have to have a pass to get in. In America, it's called a gated community. We just keep walking. A lot of helicopters here. You can hear that helicopter. There's a big training, Navy helicopter training center not far away. So here's the tennis courts over there. Just keep walking. So that tower in front of me, behind the sun, or in front of the sun, that's Tower 4. That's where we're staying. And you need an assigned parking spot in the towers, but out here on the kind of grounds, you can park whatever you like. Okay. So bear with me. I'm going to walk right through the facility and have a look at the sound side. So I'll take the crow's flight walk right through. I think it was built in the early 2000s. So it'd make it about, 20, almost 25 years old. Just really, the grounds are really well taken care of. Just keep going here. I'm going to walk through the lobby and try and hide my camera so I don't get... Everybody sort of says hi to you when you walk in, so we'll see. So just This little area here seems to have little conferences. They put plastic windows down. They had a Super Bowl party in there. But very upscale vehicles in this Range Rover, Audi, with their parking garage. It's like a luxury car dealership. Anyhow, I'm going to sort of hide the phone at this point. So you need security to get in, so we'll do that.
Yeah? Excuse me, your signal coming in?
Okay, so we dodged everybody. There's like a market area here. Starbucks. This is one of the restaurants through there. Then we'll go out to the back. Let's walk over here. Very nice out here. So there's a bar over here, and then restaurant seating. There's also service right at the beach chairs. So this is the main sort of social area where that woman with the red pants and white shirts coming out. There's a beautiful indoor swimming pool. There's a spa here. We got hot tubs out here. Pools. They seem to be heated for February. It was a good temperature. I know. I'm just going to take you out to the what's called the sound side, which is sort of a bit brackish water. If you stop here, you can see the another view of the bar, pools, and then we'll just sort of head out here. I'm just going to walk out this way. Aha. You're getting a full tour here on this video. So this is the sound. It's usually quite calm and the water's warmer here. I'm just going to stop here for a moment. Look at how white the sand is. Like, unlike some sounds like in Outer Banks, North Carolina, which are kind of gucky. This is beautiful swimming, and this is sort of a, I don't know, jungle gym floating for kids. They just set it up a few days ago. Apparently, one of the staff told me that that's 280,000 US of blow-up fun things. The guard tower there in the middle. But they've got jet skis here, paddle boards, kayaks, and we saw dolphins right off this dock last weekend. So these are all the jet skis to rent. This here on the left is their dolphin watching boat. They just cleaned it all up for the season. And I'm just going to walk right out to the end of this dock. And it's like a whole other sea out here. Way off in the distance. It is, you can't see it here, it's Pensacola property. Just pan around here. Have one last look at those jet skis, the towers. It's just, you know, a phenomenal location here in Florida. And yeah, what a gem, eh? And to think that, you know, if you walked probably 17, 18, 19 kilometers along that shoreline, there is no buildings or anything. There you have it. Portofino, Florida, here on in beautiful Pensacola Beach.